In this video, I will show you step by step on how to embed a YouTube channel video to your Canva website, or how to embed a video of your project to your Canva website. Alright, make sure to watch the video to the end to understand the step by step and process of doing this. Alright, so from the Canva layout or from your design layout, you will navigate to your YouTube channel. So from your YouTube channel, you select any video of your choice. Then you click on the three dots from the bottom right of the video. Okay, then you click on the share button or the share icon. Then you click on copy the URL or copy the video link. So once it's copied, you head back to your Canva design. Then from the menu bar, you scroll down to app. Right, then you click on the app. Then from the app, you click on your apps. Then click on embed. Right here, you paste the URL to where it says paste web link here. Alright, so you click it and paste over there. Then click add to design. Now, the video has been added to our design. Okay, let's delete this frame and adjust this. Okay. And delete this also. Okay, we are done with the embedding. So let's preview the website and see how it's going, whether it's working or it's not working. So this is the desktop version of the website. Alright. So you scroll down to the videos. So here is the video. Click on play. Alright, it's working perfectly well. So the reason for the testing is to be sure and certain that it's actually working. Alright, so you test both on desktop and the mobile version of it to be very certain of what you're doing, to avoid mistake after publishing. Okay, so you can see the video is actually working and it's playing well. So let's navigate to the mobile version. Scroll back down to the video and click play. It's also playing on the mobile version of it. This is how to do it. This is how you can embed a YouTube video to your Canva website. Alright. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. My name is Michael and I create simple videos just like this one you are watching right now. See you in the next video. Thank you.